We're back at it again. We're going to continue where we left off on the last episode with installing the transmission clutch and the transmission in this episode. Maybe we might get this car back on the ground. So let's get to it. All right, before we get that clutch installed, let's go over what we got. We got a clutch mask kit. We got the flywheel, clutch, and the pressure plate. They had mixed reviews on this particular clutch kit online, but I say, what the hell? Let's just install this and see what happens. And we have liquid moly, MTF, transmission fluid. So these are the stuff we're going to install, and we're going to install our transmission too. So let's get it. Shit. We have a new main seal to install too. So I'll clean this up and we'll install the new main seal. But first, let's see if our transmission is even going to bolt up, because this should give us a guide on the bolt holes on the transmission. So this shield should let us know if this transmission is even going to bolt up to this car. So I hope all this work is not for nothing. Oh yeah, that looks like it's going to fit perfect. Nice, nice. Yep. So that transmission is definitely going to fit. So let me remove that main seal and get that clutch installed. Oh, frick. I forgot we got to take this line out to the transmission line. Oh, well. That's stuck on there. Alrighty. Time to install. Time to clean this before we install the new one. There we go. We got all new bolts for this seal. And now for the 10s. All right. That's that. Okay. So now we gotta remove this line before I forgot again. All right, these are the transmission line. They came to this cooler right here. So there's a bolt up here that holds it in. So I'm gonna undo it and pull these out. Okay guys, we got the transmission line out. So now we're gonna install the clutch. So yeah, let's just install the clutch. So I'll meet you guys down there. Crap, doesn't work. Okay, there we go. That's in. Time to install the clutch flywheel. Okay. That's weird. Oh, it's this one. There we go. Oh crap, the starter's pushing it out. There we go. Got all new bolts. We're just gonna run them in with the gun, and we're gonna torque them after, off camera. And the flywheel has a mark on it, says flywheel side, so it goes like this. There we go. All right. Okay. And this center up the clutch. I'm just gonna pull the flywheel in just a little bit at a time. You always want to make sure the tool comes right in and out freely. Okay guys, we got the transmission all bolted in. Next we got to do the shifter. And BMW are so kind, they put a cutout for where the shifter goes. So you just pull this down and there it is. So let me install the shifter before I put the cross member in. Okay, we got the shifter installed. Now we're gonna install the cross member and the drive shaft. So I'm just gonna slip this in here. There we go. And I'm gonna try to push it up with my hands. Oh shit, that's heavy. I think I'm gonna have to put the jack under it. Yeah, let me put the jack before. All right. One bolt here. One bolt here. Oh no. We gotta take it back down. This hits wrong. It's touching the drive shaft. All right, let's put the dry shaft in. I think that's gonna be an issue. That looks different from the one we have. Yep, it's different. The flange is different, so it looks like we're gonna have to order a differential. So I think that's gonna be it for this video. Catch you guys in the next one.